Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can change the wallpaper on your home screen or the lock screen on your iPhone 12 or the iPhone 12 Pro. So first, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then tap on settings, and in settings, we want to go down and tap on wallpaper. So let's find wallpaper. Here it is. Tap on wallpaper, and then what we want to do is tap on choose a new wallpaper. And here you have three different type of wallpaper. You got dynamic, stills, or live wallpaper. Choose one of the options available. You can also choose your own photo. So if you tap on all photos, you can even choose your own photos as a wallpaper. So right now I'm going to choose say a still photo, that one there, and then we tap on set. Now on here you can choose to set it on the lock screen or set on home screen or both. So select one of the options and say I'm going to set it on the lock screen. So when I go to my lock screen, you can see the wallpaper has changed now, and that's it. So that's how you can change the wallpaper or the wallpaper on your home screen on iPhone 12 or iPhone 12 Pro. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.